You're probably working way too hard just to keep up with your content schedule. But what if I told you that one well-planned video could fuel your entire month of marketing? This isn't a gimmick, it's a system. And once you see how it works, you'll never approach content creation the same way again. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take a single long-form video, like the one you're watching now, and turn it into reels, blog posts, carousels, emails, and more, without burning out and without starting from scratch every single week. I'm Colin from Chromatic Digital Cinema. We help businesses use high-quality video to solve real problems, like growing sales, building trust, training teams, and creating content that keeps working long after the camera shuts off. And if you're investing time or money into marketing content, this is the strategy that helps you squeeze every last drop of value out of it while making your content team look like an absolute machine. Let's start with strategy. Script in sections. When you're planning or filming your main video, don't just wing it. Think in chunks of useful content. Break it up into clear, standalone segments. A bold hook or hot take, a step-by-step tutorial, a quick story or case study, a common mistake, and how to fix it. Each of these becomes its own mini asset later. You can pull them out in editing, but it's way easier if you plan for it up front. Next, reels and shorts. Mind those hooks. From those segments, you can easily create short-form clips, a 30-second aha moment, one strong quote or visual reaction, or a myth-busting line that grabs attention. Add subtitles. Brand it. Done. That's a week's worth of reels, TikToks, or shorts from just one video. Now, carousels and infographics. Every how-to or list or framework in your video, turn it into a carousel post for an infographic. Each step becomes a slide. Quotes become visuals, screenshots from your video become background images. Then, double your mileage. Use those same slides in Instagram stories or repurpose them on LinkedIn for even more visibility. Next up, your blog post. Start with a cleaned up transcript of your video. Then structure it with clear headings that match your video sections, an embedded video for SEO and dwell time, quotes and visuals from your carousel content, and don't forget internal links to your services or related posts. You'll have a blog article that's search optimized and built for real people. Number 5, email newsletter. Use a compelling subject line that highlights one core insight. Then give your readers a quick 2 to 3 sentence teaser with a link to watch the video or read the blog. You can also break it up and make a series, sharing one insight per week to keep your audience engaged over time. If you're liking this breakdown so far, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm sharing ways to make video content work for your business, and that means creating once and using it again and again. You don't need more content, you need smarter content. And one well-crafted video built with intention can fuel a full month of marketing when you use it the right way. To recap, script in sections. Chop it up, repackage it across every platform, and extend the life of your ideas with smart reuse. If you need help creating a system like this, or if you want someone to produce the kind of high-quality video content that's actually worth repurposing, head to chromaticdc.com. We'll help you turn your ideas into long-lasting, high-impact content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.